Okay, y'all, I had to come out to the tire shop because the T-top got lug locks on it and we haven't been able to get them off. So you see, they trying to work their magic to see if we can get them off and put something up there. I got some wheels in my car, the wheels from the Red Fox body that we're gonna put up there, but them things up there right now, they gotta come off. So that's what we doing. But let me show y'all the rims that they got in here, because these are some of the biggest rims that I ever seen. That's how I know I'm in the South, for real. Hold on. What y'all think? And my favorite right here. I think I want to put my Thunderbird on some big rims, sit her up high. I wanted a low rider, but I don't know. I didn't change my mind. But yeah, it's so funny just to see like the difference from being in Virginia to down south. Instantly, big rims, big tires, all that. So I'm having a ball. Definitely want to put some big rims on something. Yes, y'all, they getting them. So these things about to come off. You can't see, but in the car, I got what's about to go on. And then next, hopefully we find somebody to paint the car for us. We take this front clip off, put the right clip back on. She'll be looking good, ready to go. Yeah, look, we got a drive shaft in there. That means the tires, the Corbeau seat in there. Like really stuffed everything in there for this move. But you see, they coming off. They breaking their backs for me. I appreciate it. I got them. Because we done went to a couple tire shops and a couple auto stores to try to get them measured to see if we could get them off. Nobody could get them things off. So now that they're loose, they could come off. So we're gonna buy some lug nuts, then we're gonna take her back to the house, change the tires. We're gonna see if the transmission is good before we do the engine swap. And if everything goes as it should, then tomorrow we're gonna start our swap. So got our lug nuts. That's out the way. We'll put our new shoes on and get to it. Back in the yard, I got the tires that's about to go up there. Got our jack. But y'all see, I wanted to put them on because these is the new ones going up there, and this is what's on my notch. So they're pretty similar. They got that deep lip in the back. I love a deep tire. So, and if anybody does like engraving in this, let me know, because I would love to get the inside like engraved with stuff. Y'all, them people at the tire shop was really working to get them things off. Like, they was not trying to come off. But they got them. So I got my carb off. Once again, I'm gonna switch them over because instead of just starting the car, we're gonna drive the car. So let's put the other carb on. Y'all, and I had to change my pants because you know it was spitting oil. I didn't want to get oil on my other pants. Okay, got our carb switched over. Before we can drive it, I do gotta get underneath the car and tighten up my drive shaft. So of course, going in with my Work Pro tools. They sent me a wrench set. Y'all look, it got literally everything I need. So I think it's a 1/2 inch. It might be a 10. I'm gonna get bored out just in case. But yeah, we're gonna get underneath and we're gonna tighten up our drive shaft, and then we're gonna try to, you know, at least just get her around the yard. I don't know about taking her out on the road, but we're gonna at least try to move around the yard. So we're gonna take our shifter out so we can put some trans fluid in her. Nothing there. Gotta put something in her. Okay, y'all. She running. I still got my little makeshift fuel pump set up. But yeah, I got the shifter on. It's hella sketchy, like it's hella sketchy, but we gonna do what it do and we gonna make it work. Oh, make sure I ain't gonna hit nothing. Let me see if I can back up a little bit more. Okay. Y'all, and the clutch is like butter. Like, it's like my first 95. My first 95 was so smooth. But okay, y'all. Here we go. I ain't got no brakes. I thought I had something. I ain't got no brakes, so this my brakes. We're just gonna do a little bit of parking lot driving. Quiet. But my girl running and driving. We might go ahead and keep this engine in here. This might be our little calm mellow ride.